We just did some contact drills. I mean, Brian can tell you what it was like. You know, we're in a little small group with our detail. They yell out whatever direction that the threat's at, and then we just got to figure it out.
Your primary is that principle, get the principle out. But sometimes it doesn't work like clockwork like this, but just don't freeze and do nothing. As long as you get the principle out primarily, sometimes shit just goes, you know, gets kind of messed up.
I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't look that bad, but it's fucking high stress while we're doing it.
Contact left! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go!
The fact that we know it's a drill, like we know it's coming, so we're amped up, we're tense, you know, in the moment.
Contact left! Go, sir, go, 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 go!
It's really important to just slow things down, breathe, you know, go through your checklist in your head.
Because once that first shot breaks, sometimes like you just forget.
Yeah, they don't even call it. There's no, they don't, it's just gunshots, and whatever position we're in, the threat's in that direction, we move. So they don't say, the instructors are not telling us where the shot's coming from. We just hear gunshots, and that's it. We gotta figure it out.
It's go time.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's some of the fucking best training I got.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun for sure.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.